Simplifying speech, mastering object pronouns and relative clauses. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to explore an important aspect of English grammar, replacing nouns with object pronouns, within the context of relative clauses. Don't be intimidated by these terms. Simply put, this means learning how to replace nouns in our sentences to make them smoother and more natural. So, let's dive in. Let's begin by defining object pronouns. Object pronouns are used as the objects of verbs or prepositions. They include words like me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. For example, I see him. In this case, him is the object pronoun, replacing a specific male noun, maybe John or the teacher. Before we continue, let's do a quick recap on relative clauses. These are types of clauses that give us more information about a noun, and they often start with relative pronouns like who, whom, whose, which, or that. For example, the woman who lives next door is a doctor. Here, who lives next door is the relative clause, giving more info about the woman. Now, let's bring these concepts together. When the noun being referred to is the object of the relative clause, we can use an object pronoun to replace it. For example, did you find the keys that you lost? Can be simplified to, did you find them? Here, them is the object pronoun replacing the keys. Let's solidify this with some practice exercises. 1. Here's the sentence. I can't find the books that I bought yesterday. 2. With an object pronoun, this becomes, I can't find them. 3. Here's another. Can you call the taxi that is waiting outside? 4. This becomes, can you call it? Try creating your own sentences using object pronouns and relative clauses. Great work today, learners! We hope that this video helped to clarify how to use object pronouns and relative clauses. As with any language learning, practice is key, so keep trying to use these in your everyday conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.